Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make perfect eyebrows with the help of these eyebrow shape stickers. Although they are called eyebrow shape stickers, but they are not stickers. They are basically some pieces which can just be placed with your hands on your eyebrow, and then you can place any color which you want. So I'm going to be giving you a demo here how I've created the eyebrows with the help of these eyebrow shaping stickers. So basically I'm going to be using number 2 over here, and this is number 2. It can be used on both of the eyebrows. You just have to flip it. So this is the mannequin I have in front of me, and I'm going to be using it. Basically what you have to do is that I'm using a powder color. So you can also use a cream blush or anything, or you can also use an eyebrow pencil with it. But the best thing about it, you can make your eyebrows in seconds. So I'm going to be showing you a demo here. This is how you have to place your hand on it, and you must place your hand firmly. It's not stickers, it will not stick on. So just place it properly. And now next I'm going to be using some brown powder on my brush, and I'm going to be dabbing it. So you just have to take a lot of product on your brush, and you have to place it like this properly, and basically you have to place it firmly so it doesn't move and your eyebrow would get a very perfect shape. So please hold it firmly, otherwise it's gonna slip and you will have a very different kind of eyebrows which we don't want. Basically it's a mannequin, so that's why I'm applying a lot of product, but on skin it does not require that much. This is how I'm gonna be doing it. You can also use any cream blush, any eyebrow pencil, anything which you like. This is how you can apply it. Next I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna brush off the excess, and this is how you can achieve this look in seconds. On skin it will take less time. You get 3 eyebrow stickers from it, and you can get it approximately in 150 or 200 rupees from Dara. So it is a very beautiful and a very useful technique which you can use to apply and make eyebrows in seconds. If you don't know how to make them, it's like giving your eyebrows a pro look. You can also use different color eyeshadows. I've used brown here, you can use black, you can use any color which you like. So I hope you guys like it. Inshallah I'm gonna be giving you another review. So this is it guys, and comment down if you have any questions.